Hello! In this video, I will show you how to design websites on Webflow. Head over to webflow.com and click on this Get Started right here in order to create your account on Webflow. You can also sign in with Google if you want to as well. I'll head over and sign in on Google because it's much easier for me to do this. Then once you have signed in with that, you should be able to be loaded to the next page of Webflow right here. So in order to design a website, head over and click on this use site right here, and then you can actually choose from blank site or template. So I'll head over and then click on this template because it's much easier, and then just choose a template that you want to use for this. I'll head over and just use this and click on select, and then you can put in your site name. So for example, just name it to your liking, and then from in there click on this create site in order to successfully create your website. Now you can see this right here. You can just use this menus that you can see on your sidebar like elements, pages, and all of these things like components, variables, and the likes. You can head over and add some things or elements for this case. And then for example, you can add div block, heading, Flex list if you want to as well. Just head over and then add them right there, and then you should be able to add them from in here. Now just head over and then design everything on your website, and then from in there just click on this publish option in order to publish your website to your actual domain. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer.